Okay, for this question we have a couple parts. We have part A and part B. For part A, it says click on the grid to draw a Twyla's triangle. Each square on the grid has a side length of 1 unit. So we're given this information. It says right triangle JKL is shown with the dimensions in units. We know KL is 6 and we know KJ is 8. Twyla creates a congruent triangle based only on the given dimensions. The fact that this is a right triangle just tells us that we could put the triangle on our graph like this. We could put the triangle on our graph like this. We just know where that right angle goes. Okay, we could put it on our graph looking just like this. If we put it on our graph looking just like this, we're going to have to figure out this distance here. But if we're going to do one of these, we don't really even need to figure that out. So when you make your triangle, you need to make sure you make one side 6 and one side 8. And we know this is a right angle because horizontal and vertical lines make a right angle. And then you would connect the last one. It is not asking us to figure out that length. We could if we needed to with Pythagorean theorem, but it did not ask us to. Okay, so I just took this triangle and turned it around. We don't have to label it. We just had to make sure we had the side lengths on there. Okay, because if it's congruent, it has to be the exact same size. Okay, part B says using the given dimensions, what theorem can Twyla use to prove triangle she creates is congruent to triangle JKL? So based only on what we are given this angle and this angle match up. Okay, we are given that this side and this side match up and this side and this side match up. That is all we are given. If we base it only on what we have and don't try to figure anything else out, the angle falls between the two sides, so it's going to be side, angle, side. Okay, we have one angle that's between two sides. Side, angle, side. When you do your congruency, you have a few choices. Okay, you have 5 choices to pick from congruent triangles. This last one wasn't even one of the correct choices. That's for similarity only, so this one we would know is wrong right away. Okay, the one that might be kind of confusing is this hypotenuse leg, because we think about that with right triangles a lot, but we are not given our hypotenuse here, so we can't use hypotenuse leg. Okay, because it said based on what we were given. Okay.